But you're giving me
Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, 𝐼𝐸𝐠, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well out there. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new unit from wowafrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below. Everything's going to be linked for you. And of course, I have some discount codes so you guys can save some money. But this time around, wowafrican did send me their new deep wavy undetectable lace front wig. So you guys can see it does feature their clear undetectable lace, as well as, of course, like all of their units, it does have that bleached knots, the pre-plucked hairline, and also the hair is ready to wear, so you don't have to do any customizations to it. Now this unit is a glueless, so you do not have to adhere it down if you choose not to, and it does feature their 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so 13 inches ear to ear and 6 inches back, so you guys can get a very natural look. But their unit, like always, comes pre-customized, so you do not have to bleach the knots or tweeze the hairline. It is ready to wear. Right here, what I'm just going to do is just lay the hair. I'm using some wax in my hot comb just to kind of get the box hump out of the unit, and I'm just going to do some really quick styling, nothing major.
You won't say what's on your mind, don't gotta say what you think I like, cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you unless you found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in this shit, everything just fades away.
I love wowafrican's units because I never have to do any major customizing to it, so kudos to them. But right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get that lace cut off for you guys.
Put you on, fade away, and everything falls into place. It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away.
So you're not into the ball cap method? Well, try this method. It works really well. What I like to do is take a hairspray. I prefer the bedhead hard head mini hairspray, and I apply layers of it on my forehead and blow dry in between. Once it's become tacky, just lay the lace on top of it. You can use like the end of a rat tail comb or whatever, your fingertips, and just kind of push it down and go over it again with a little more of that hairspray and blow dry it in. And for the meltdown, you want to use an elastic band just to further get that lace to secure down, just so you don't have any slipping, and it's going to give you a all-day hold. I promise you it will. Now use this time to kind of just go over, lay your hair, freshen up your makeup. For me, I'm just going to go through those waves and loosen them up just a little bit. The meltdown is looking really good, I must say. But just to give yourself a little more blendage, you can take a little bit of your liquid foundation and just go over that lace a little bit, and you can set it with some powder. That's just going to help it blend a little bit better, because you know, you might see a little bit of crust from the hairspray, or even sometimes the light hits the lace where it looks a bit whitish, okay? But to hold those curls in place, I'm just going to use my Shea Moisture and Shine Mist. That keeps the hair really soft, but it kind of remembers the curls, I guess. And this is how it looks, guys. The hair is super soft. The length of the unit that I do have mine in is a 20-inch, and I believe the density is 180%. Definitely check the description box. I could be wrong. For styling, I always opt for this look. I don't know why. I think it's because of the forehead, guys. I wish I would have actually installed this unit more towards my brow, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I just feel like I installed it a little too far back, and my forehead is definitely giving 5 head at this point. So y'all know what I like to do to fix that. I feel like baby hairs makes it all better. I don't know. I just feel like maybe baby hairs makes the forehead look smaller, and I don't know if that's the truth or not, but I don't know, you guys tell me. But for styling, I'm just opting for this style, and I think it's giving. I think that it's okay. I like this style. All right. But of course, this unit does have their 13 by 6 inches of parting space. Those waves are incredibly gorgeous, and here are the angles of the hair. Now I am 5'8", and the unit does reach right beneath my bra strap. So if you're about my height, that is where it's going to fall on you. But anyways, y'all, let me know what you think of this one. I'm feeling this unit like I do all of my Wow African units, but you let me know what you think of it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.